Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my class. Today, we will discuss the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Okay. So, if we take the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. And we draw a line. Then, this is the left hand plane of this line. Okay, and this is the right hand plane of this line. That means this is the left side of this line and this is the right side of this line. Clear? Again, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Suppose if we take the line this, then this is the upper half plane and this is the lower half plane for this line. Okay, clear? Okay, now see. So this is the x-axis, so x, and this is x dash, and y-axis, that's been y and y dash. Here we take this line. Clear? That's been this is the left half plane. Okay, and this is the right half plane of this line. Similarly, again x dash, and this is y dash. Okay, here we take a line, then this is the upper half plane. Okay, and this is the lower half plane. Clear? That's been this portion, this is the lower half and this is the upper half. Similarly, this is the right half and this is the left half. Okay, good. Now we solve these problems. Okay, example 9. Solve thrice x plus twice y greater than 6 graphically. Okay, so graph of thrice x plus twice y equal to 6 is given as dotted line in this figure. Okay, so thrice x plus twice y equal to 6. So if we divide thrice x by 6 plus twice y by 6 equal to 6 by 6, that's been 1. So implies x by 2 plus y by 3, this equal to 1. Okay, this is the x by a plus y by b equals to 1 form. That's been the line thrice x plus twice y equal to 6 cut the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0. Why 2 comma 0? Because in denominator here is 2, that's why, and this is x, so x by 2, so the line cut the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0. Similarly, y by 3, that's been the line cut the y-axis at the point 0 comma 3. Clear? So this point is 2 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 3. That's been the line passes through the points 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. Okay, now question is why this line drawn by dotted line? Because in your given inequalities, that's been thrice x plus twice y greater than 6 is here, that's been greater than symbol is here. So students, remember that if greater than and less than sign given in your inequalities, that's been the line drawn by dotted line. If less equal to or greater equal to sign present in your inequality, that's been you can draw this line, that's been draw a continuous line. Okay, that's been if less than or greater than symbol present in your inequalities, that's been line draw by dot. Okay, that's been line drawn with dot, and if less equal to and greater equal to sign given, that's been line drawn in this manner. Okay, so here greater than sign, that's why the line drawn by dot. Okay, that's mean this is the dotted line present here, that's why. Clear? Now So this line divides the xy plane in two halves, plane 1 and plane 2. So this is the equation of the line, thrice x plus twice y equal to 6, and this line, okay, divides the xy plane in two halves, that's mean lower half and upper half. So lower half denoted by plane 1 and upper half denoted by plane 2. Okay, now we select a point, suppose origin 0 comma 0, okay, which lies in one of the half plane, that's mean either 0, this point, that's mean 0 comma 0 either lies in the plane 1 or lies in the plane 2. Now determine if this point satisfying the given inequalities, that's mean note that, that's mean if we put 0 x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, that's mean 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0, okay, that's mean greater than 6. So 0 greater than 6, which is not true, which is false. That's mean this is the origin 0 comma 0, that's mean 0 comma 0 does not lie in the region 1. Clear? So definitely the required region is upper half plane. Clear? Hence the half plane 1 is not the solution region of the given inequality. Clearly any point on the line does not satisfy the given strict inequality. In other words, the shaded plane 2 excluding the points on the line, okay, is the solution region of the inequalities. Okay, why excluded? Because less greater than sign here, for less than and greater than excluded the points on the line, for greater equal to and less equal to included the point on the lines. Okay, so here is origin 0 comma 0, but the 0 comma 0 point is not is lie on the plane 1 and which does not satisfy the inequality. That's mean definitely the upper half plane is the required region. Clear? So again remember that this is the given inequalities, thrice x plus twice x greater than 6. So equation of this line, thrice x plus twice y equal to 6. Okay, so greater than 6 means this is equal to 6. Okay, this is equal to 6. So greater than 6 means upper half portion, because if we take the point 0 comma 0 which 0 greater than 6, which is false, that's why not the lower portion of this line, that's mean definitely the upper portion of this line. That's mean if we take the point, this point, this is 3 comma 0, sorry 3 comma 2, this point is 3 comma 2, okay, 3 comma 2. If we put this, that's mean 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2, that's mean 9 plus 4, which is greater than 6, that's mean implies 13 greater than 6, which is true. That's mean 3 comma 6, okay, this point satisfy these inequalities. That's mean definitely 3 comma 6 point lies in the required region. Okay, that's mean in the upper half portion, or upper half is the required region of the inequality. Clear? Okay. Next problem. Solve thrice x minus 6 greater equal to 0 graphically in 2D. That's mean two-dimensional plane. Okay. So the graph of thrice x minus 6 equals to 0. That's mean this is the inequality and this is the graph form of this inequality. That's mean simply equal to 0. Thrice x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Now we select a point 0 comma 0. Now this is the line. Line is, that's mean thrice x equal to 6, so x equal to 2. So equation of this line, that's mean x equal to 2. Okay, now if we take the origin 0 comma 0 and we put x equal to 0, that's mean 3 into 0 minus 6 greater equals to 0, that's in minus 6 greater equal to 0, which is false, which is not true. That's mean, and this point 0 comma 0 lies in the left hand side of this line, and for this point which is false, that's mean not left hand side of this line. That's mean required region not lies in the left hand side of this line, that's mean definitely the required region is right hand side of this line. Okay, or you can check in this way, that's mean thrice x greater equals to 0, so greater equal to 6, that's mean x greater equal to 2. So equation of this line x greater equals to 2, so greater equal to means that's mean definitely right region. Okay, now for checking your answer, take any points on this right hand region. That's mean suppose if we take this point, so this equals show coordinate of this point 3, 2. Okay, now inequalities 3 into x, that's mean 3 minus 6 greater equals to 0, so 9 minus 6 greater equals to 0, so 3 greater equals to 0, which is true. That's mean definitely the right hand region or right hand plane is the required region. Okay, okay. Now exercise 6.2, solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. Okay, clear? So there are total 10 questions. Clear? Here we solve only question number 3, after that 5, after that 7 and 8, and the remaining are homework. Okay, now question number 3. Now question number 3 is solve the given inequality graphically in 2D. Okay, and the inequality is thrice x plus 4y less equal to 12. Okay, so the graph of thrice x plus 4y less equal to 12 is thrice x plus 4y equal to 12. This is the graphical representation of the inequality thrice x plus 4y less equal to 12. So remember that for graphical representation simply equals to the number given, the given number. Okay, that's been here thrice x plus 4y less equal to 12, that's been equal to something. Okay, that's been thrice x plus 4y equal to 12. So again this is thrice x plus 4y equal to 12. Again divide both side by 12, that's mean thrice x by 12 plus 4y divided by 12, that's mean 12 by 12, so equal to 1. So x by 4 plus y by 3 equals to 1. So this is the x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So the line cut the x-axis at the point 4, 0 and y-axis at the point 0, 3. So this is 4, 0 and this is 0, 3. So the line passes through the points 4, 0 and 0, 3. Why the lines is continuous? Because here less equal to symbol is given, that's why line is continuous. Okay, so the graphical representation of this line this, and then the line divides the xy plane in two half planes, name is 1 half, 1 and 2. Now students, this is equation of this line thrice x plus 4y equal to 12. So less equal to region, that's mean thrice x plus 4y less equal to 12, that's mean definitely the lower half plane. Okay, or you can check in this way, that's mean if we take the origin, that's mean 0, 0. Okay, so that's mean, so if we put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in this given inequality, that's mean 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less equal to 12. So that's mean 0 less equal to 12. Okay, which is true. Okay, that's mean 0, 0 the point, okay, lies the required region, that's mean definitely the required region is the lower half plane of this line. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next question number 5. Next question number 5, the given inequality is x minus y less equal to 12. That's mean the graphical representation of this line is x minus y equals to 2. Okay, so if we divide the both side by 2, that's mean x by 2 minus y by 2 equals to 2 by 2, that's mean 1. But we know that the standard form is x by a plus y by b equals to 1. So this can be written as x by 2 plus y by minus 2. Okay, this equal to 1. Okay, so x by 2 minus y by 2, this that's been plus y by minus 2, this equal to 1. That's been the line cut the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0 and the y-axis 0 comma minus 2. So this is 2 comma 0, this is 0 comma minus 2. So the line passes through this point, continuous, because less equal to sign or less equal to symbol present in these inequalities. Okay, now the line divides the xy plane in two half planes. Okay, now x minus y less equal to 2, that's mean if we take the origin 0 comma 0. Okay, so and we put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this given inequality, that means 0 minus 0 less equal to 2, so 0 less equal to 2, which is true. Okay, that's mean definitely the upper half plane of this line, because the point 0 comma 0 is lies on in the required region. Okay, that's why the required region is upper half plane of this line, that's been this portion. Okay, or the solution region is represented by the shaded region as follows. Clear? But remember that this line is continuous, that's mean the point included the point, okay, lie on this line also. Okay, next question number 7. Now question number 7, and the given inequality is minus thrice x plus twice y greater equal to minus 6. Okay, so the graphical representation of this given inequalities is thrice x minus thrice x plus twice y equal to minus 6. Okay, so minus thrice x plus twice y equal to minus 6. Now we divide both side by minus 6, that's mean minus thrice x by minus 6 plus 2y divided by minus 6 equal to minus 6 by minus 6, that's mean 1. So minus minus cancel, that's mean this is 2, so x by 2, okay, plus y by minus 3 equal to 1. So that's mean the line cut the x-axis at the point 2 comma 0 and the y-axis at the point 0 comma minus 3. So this point is 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma minus 3. And why line is continuous line? Because greater equal to sign or symbol present in the given inequality. Okay, now we check the required region is upper half of the upper half plane or lower half plane. Okay, okay, now take simply the origin 0 comma 0. Now put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in the given inequality, that's been minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 greater equal to minus 6, so 0 greater equal to minus 6, so which is true. Okay, that's been the upper half plane is the required region. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next has been question number 8. Now question number 8. Solve the given inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane, and the given inequality is thrice y minus 5x less than 30. So for graphical representation, at first we write this inequality in equation form. Okay, that's mean this is thrice y minus 5x equal to 30. Okay, that's mean this is the inequality form and this is the equation form. Okay, so this can be written as implies this is minus 5x, after that plus thrice y equal to 30. Now we divide both sides by 30, that's mean minus 5x divided by 30 plus thrice y divided by 30 equal to 1. So implies x by minus 6, because minus x by 6, so this can be written as x by minus 6. Okay, plus y by 10 equals to 1. That's mean the line cut the x-axis at the point minus 6 comma 0 and the y-axis 0 comma 10. Okay, now student note that this is less than sign present in this inequalities. That's mean line is a dotted line. Okay, now we draw a line by dot. Okay, now the graphical representation of this, that's mean this is the equation from the graphical representation of this is given as dotted line in the given wheel. Okay, after that this line divides the xy plane in two half planes. Select a point not on the line. Remember that the if you, which point you can select any point, okay, but this point not on the line, okay, which lies in one of the half planes to determine whether the point satisfying the given inequality or not. So here we select the point 0 comma 0. Okay, in next page, so here this is the solution. This is minus 6 comma 0, this is 0 comma 10. So this is dotted line here. After that, if we take 0 comma 0, then definitely thrice y minus 5x, that's mean 0 minus 0 less than 30. So 0 less than 30, which is true. That's mean the lower half plane of this line is the required region. Okay, that's mean this portion. Okay, so student, question number 8 is complete and remaining are homework. Okay, so okay student, thank you, bye.